Hi everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about copy pasting using the magnetic lasso tool and the transform tool. So today we want to copy this dog which is on a different image and paste it onto this lady who's also on a different image. The first thing that you want to do is navigate over to the magnetic lasso tool. Mine is right here on the left panel, but bear in mind that your Photoshop might be structured differently and so it might be at a different place than it is for me. After you get to the magnetic lasso tool, you want to click on it to select it. After you select the magnetic lasso tool, you want to navigate to an edge where you want to start your selection. So I want to start my selection right here by the neck of the dog. I'm going to zoom in so that I have a better view of what I'm selecting. So the first thing you're going to want to do now is to click on an edge that you want to select. And it's going to create a little square. After that, you want to move your mouse around the edges of the area that you want to select, and the magnetic lasso is going to automatically detect the edges. A pro tip is to do this slowly so that the selection is a lot more accurate. I'm not going to select the entire figure of the dog, but I'm just going to select the head. So if you want to move in a different direction, all you need to do is move your mouse in that direction. And the computer will still attempt to find edges on the selection you're making. To complete your selection, you're going to navigate back to where you started and click on that square. This is going to complete the loop and also complete the selection. And you know that you've completed the selection and the loop when you have this black and white sort of dynamic line showing up as it is on my screen. If you happen to make a mistake and you do not select as you were hoping to, you can always undo and start over by clicking escape. Next thing you're going to want to do is to copy the selection and paste it onto the other image. So now we're going to copy. You can achieve copying by navigating over to edit and then clicking copy. And you can also achieve copying by Command C. Now that you're done with the copying, you're going to want to navigate over to the other image and paste the selection that you just copied. So you're going to navigate over to the other image and you're going to want to paste it. The first thing you need to make sure is that you have layers turned on, and this is going to allow you to paste onto a new layer, and this will not interfere with everything that you've already created. So you're going to see that you have layers turned on by clicking on Window and Layers here. It has to have a check mark on it so that you know that you have layers turned on. After you've made sure that you have layers turned on, you're going to want to paste your selection. You can paste your selection by clicking on Edit and then clicking on Paste, and it's going to show. Just the same, you can also paste by clicking Command V. After you've pasted the selection, it's possible that sometimes the selection might be bigger or smaller than what you want it to actually be. So you're going to want to resize the image to make it fit your heart's desire. To resize our image, we're going to use the transform tool. To use the transform tool, you first need to select the move tool, which is right here at the top corner for me, but bear in mind it might be in a different place for you. After clicking on the move tool, you're going to want to look for the transform tool, which is right here under edit and then transform. We're going to use scale so that we can move our selection around. After you click that, it's going to create a border around your selection, and you can resize your selection by dragging the edges of the selection. So you can achieve this by moving it this way and then moving it into the corner like that, which is exactly what we need. You can also resize your image by using the width and the height sections at the top. After you're satisfied with how you've moved around your image, you can accept the changes that you made by clicking on this check mark over here at the top or clicking return. After clicking return and accepting your changes, now you have copy pasted successfully the dog onto the lady's lap. Thank you so much for watching.